How's it going, you guys? It's Scott with Everyday Home Repairs. We're going to do a little truck talk today and give you an update on the channel and what's ahead for 2024. Now, this is a little different than what we're usually doing. There's no project. We're not repairing or maintaining anything. But there's been many of you that have been with me for years and years. So I just want to give you a little look ahead to make sure I'm not catching off guard, because there are a few things that will be changing. So first up, I just want to thank you guys for all the support over the years. We're about 6 years into building out this channel. Last year was a great year. We had 68 million views across the channel, which is pretty insane if you think about it, and added about 250,000 subscribers to our subscriber count. Now, the plans are to make 2024 an even bigger year, but there's quite a bit of work ahead before we accomplish that goal. Now, with Everyday Home Repairs, we try to focus on a specific group of homeowners. You can't really be everything to everyone, right? Because there's such a range of skill sets and experience. So we focus on beginner and intermediate DIY focused homeowners and try to help them save time and money through educational videos. That's kind of the whole focus of the channel. So with that focus, the question for 2024 is, how do we do more? And how do we deliver more value to you through the channel? Now, a few just quick tips, and this is just in terms of YouTube in general. If you guys look on our channel page, you can go to a few different locations that will help you. If there's a specific project that you want to find on my channel or other channels, it's hard just searching in general on YouTube, because then you can't usually find if Everyday Home Repairs has a toilet video where you can see how to swap out a toilet. But if you go on a channel page on a desktop, there is a little magnifying glass where you can click on the magnifying glass, type in your search term, and then it's only searching in the library of that channel. For us, it would only search within the library of the videos that we have published, and then you'll see if we have something on that topic. So that can come in handy for you. In addition, there is a community tab. The community tab will be the collection of just regular posts that I put out there. That might be a picture, that might be an announcement, but the most common post is actually polls that I put out there getting your feedback. That feedback's super valuable. If you vote in one of the polls, you can see the results, and it gives you an overall view across thousands of other homeowners and professionals what is their opinion for that specific poll topic. So I think both of those are super valuable on Everyday Home Repairs, but just on the YouTube platform in general. So back to creating more videos, kind of 3 different areas were covered. The first area is the frequency for which we're posting. I know personally for myself, and this is from doing it for years and years, I can maintain about 1 normal long form video per week, just normal YouTube video. That's not shorts or the other posts that we can do, just a normal how-to video. I can maintain that for years and years without getting burnt out or slowing down. But if we want to do more, how do I bring on others that focus on that same audience and focus on saving you time and money? How do we bring those people onto Everyday Home Repairs? So that is something that I've been testing out and will continue to test out. So you'll see some other creators. You've seen Joel Walsman from Electric Pro Academy for years. He's done 4 install videos for us, and he's got a 5th one coming out. But we've started to bring on Carlos to do some DIY plumbing videos. Emily has been doing some bathroom remodel, kitchen remodel videos. And then Myron Ferguson did his first video the other day in terms of hanging a heavy picture or mirror on the wall. So some of those new creators will be just DIYers like Carlos and Emily, or others will be like Myron, who has decades and decades of drywall experience and literally has wrote a book on drywall and has been featured in traditional media or magazines like Fine Home Building. So with the help of these creators, we'll be able to kind of scale the number of videos we're putting out per week. I would expect to be publishing 2 to 3 videos per week on the channel, maintained throughout 2024. Now, this is a test. It's something new. I don't know how well it will be received. I don't know how successful it will be. So I will look at 2024 and this kind of new way of bringing on additional creators outside of just me publishing on Everyday Home Repairs. And if it's successful, we'll probably do more of that. And if it's not, we'll go back in 2025 and return to normal where I'm just putting out 1 video per week. Second thing, I will be doing some larger videos. It's not that we haven't done long videos on the past. We've done a DIY bathroom remodel, which is over an hour. We've done a Mr. Cool duct install system. That's over an hour. But this will be kind of classic DIY, out in your yard, building a shed type of videos. Now, these are a bit of a time commitment to put together, but I think they're super valuable. And I want to compare and contrast the major options that we have for these type of projects. Specifically for a shed, should you buy something locally that's pre-made? What is the cost of that? What's the benefits of that? Maybe a tough shed from your local Home Depot. Should you get a kit? What are the pros and cons of that in cost? Or should we do it just from scratch, either a design we have or buying some plans for $20 or $30 offline, and then just do all the cuts and do it from scratch ourselves? So I want to put those projects together, actually build them, fully documenting the full process, and then literally compare those side by side so we can see the pros and cons of the different construction methods, and also comparing the pricing so you can make an informed decision. Additionally, something that has been kind of missing in the past is how do we put together those build lists so if you were going to go to Home Depot or if you're going to go to Lowe's, it's kind of a one click where you can click on a link in the description and it populates all the materials for that shed build right into your cart, so you can save a lot of time in terms of picking out the lumber. If you have to go from a PDF build list and then go in and select all those materials on the desktop or on your app, or just go into the store and select all those materials, that is an hour or hours added to your project. So I'm thinking through how to do that and how to develop the build list, which is kind of a one-click process in terms of getting the materials to your actual house so you can get into the project and start building. And then third, I will be doing a little bit of a road trip later on in 2024 where I get out and do some collaboration with other creators around the country. Now, if you guys go way back on this channel, one of the goals originally for Everyday Home Repairs over 4 years ago was to make enough revenue from this channel as a side hustle to buy a Tesla Cybertruck. Now, 4 years ago, I had put in a reservation for a Tesla Cybertruck, and it should be coming here probably in the April 2024 time range, where I'll be trading in my Ford Super Duty, believe it or not, for a Tesla Cybertruck. And that might make for an interesting video to go and take on a road trip. It also is an interesting video for my other YouTube channel, Everyday Solar, as it is a serious home backup system, and you can do some different things with solar panels, which are kind of cool. So those are the plans. The biggest thing really is those additional YouTubers or additional creators coming on the channel. I'm excited to see that develop over 2024, and I'm just excited to help more homeowners with their DIY projects around the house. So thank you guys for joining me on this video. Thank you for all your support over the years. Now, if you want to check out our other channel that's slowly growing, check out this video right here. And it's one of the cool DIY projects we've been working on lately. And then if you want to trip down memory lane, you can check out that Cybertruck video where I was kind of going through the rhyme or reason why I'd be trading in my Ford for all electric Cybertruck. Thanks for joining me on this video, and we'll catch you on one of those next videos. Take care.